It's almost the end of the year again, and somehow that stubborn belly fat is still here. Your genes are filing a formal complaint, your mirror has given up on you, and let's be honest, those love handles now have backup love handles. But don't panic, I'm not here to roast you. Well, maybe a little. Because burning fat, it's actually way easier than all the complicated diets, insane cardio, and TikTok hacks you've tried. Stick around. I'm about to give you 10 ridiculously simple tricks to burn fat fast, even if you hate the gym, love snacks, and can't run more than 5 steps without wheezing. Stop hating fat. Yes, fat. Eat it. But not the triple bacon burger at midnight type. I mean healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, olive oil, eggs, salmon. Why? Because without fat, your hormones crash. And the hormones that control fat loss? They literally decide if your body burns or hoards fat. Pro tip? Aim for about 0.6 to 1 gram of fat per kilogram of body weight. It's enough to keep your body running without turning your metabolism into a sloth. Eat foods that burn calories to digest. Some foods are lazy. They slide in and make zero effort. Sugar, ultra-processed crap, they're basically freeloaders. Then there's protein, chicken, eggs, beans, Greek yogurt. Your body burns more calories just digesting it. Bonus, protein keeps you full and builds muscle, so fat loss actually works. Eat more protein, burn more calories, and get full doing it. Boom. Cut the sugar sneak attack. Sugar is sneaky. It hides in sauces, coffee, drinks, and snacks. One bite, and your fat-burning hormones start crying in the corner. Swap the soda, juice, and frappuccinos for water, sparkling water, black coffee, green tea. Do this and your waistline will thank you without you even feeling like you're dieting. Stop killing yourself with cardio. Hammering the treadmill like you're training for a zombie apocalypse? Stop. It doesn't work. Solution: walk. Sounds boring, but it's genius. 10,000 steps a day. Walk after meals. Take stairs. Park further. Pace during calls. Low effort, low stress, and your body actually burns fat instead of rebelling with cravings. Drop fat loss in the comments if you want a full 30-day fat-burning calisthenics plan, home or gym. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, and start today. Remember, your fat isn't the problem. Your habits are. Fix them. Start now. Boom.